What's going on, guys? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor, and I make my living trading cryptocurrency with some serious efficiency. If you want to learn how to trade better, head right over to the website, get signed up. Links are below and above. And guys, I'm going to be speaking at a convention coming up in Miami, Web3 and real estate. If you want to get your tickets, I will have a discount code below, guys. Definitely check it out. Amazing times. Look at this panel. This is going to be freaking epic, guys. If you want to learn about crypto, Web3, and real estate, and just how it's going to be a big factor in our infrastructure coming up, check this out, guys. I'll see you guys in Miami. I wanted to talk about Electroneum today as well as Bitcoin, guys. Obviously, some big projects going on right now, and I wanted to talk a little bit about the cycles. I know I talk about this a lot lately, but I want you all to really understand what's going on so that you can actually make as much profit as you can. Guys, if you aren't subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'm going to dive right into the price action. Alright, guys, I just want to show you guys what I found in the Electroneum price action. There's very clear pattern which has just popped out here, guys, and I want to emphasize that for you guys right here. Make that a nice light blue. All right, this is a bigger pattern here, and guys, look at this, very clear as day. Little moment of oversold territory, but another symmetrical triangle, really just playing out very nice indeed. And notice the tops and bottoms just really forming a very clear area of support and resistance here, guys. Now what I want you guys to do, just in simplicity, is we break the major support, look for a nice long measured from the back of the pattern to the point of breakout and or the resistance, guys. Either way it breaks, ride that to target projection. And if you're looking for indication plays that can actually really help you there, I would either choose the Bollinger Bands in congruency with the estimated moving average of 720, 100, and 200. Probably only the 720 and 100. Oh, and 55, of course, sorry. And 55, okay? The 720, 55, and 100 will be the only ones in relevance. I doubt we'll hit the 200 way up here. You guys get the idea. Okay, but notice here, when we get a total crossing each way, we get a continuation move. Now this happened like back here, for instance. We broke down, breaking back up. You get the 7 crossing the 20, and that's an indication that the move is happening. Again, right there. And if we get another cross, it'll be out of this pattern here, guys. So that's what I'm saying. Kind of ride that and watch for that. Oh, other than that, if you're playing polar downs, for instance, like if you're just looking for, you know, a short out of the top, look for that overbought territory there, and look for the oversold territory there, so you can look for a nice little long, guys. Easy money all day. Let's jump right over to Bitcoin, guys. I just want to be quick in this video, guys. So much going on. All right, now let's check out what we got here. For instance, we are on the daily. Now, guys, if you notice here, we still have a lot of work to do. Let me pull up a different chart. Actually, I think I'm going to pull up the blue one. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, that's the one I want. Almost a mimicking pattern here on Bitcoin as well, guys. Check this out. So, for instance, a almost descending triangle, but a symmetrical, and lots of patterns within patterns here. For instance, we could draw this one out real quick. And then we have almost the same kind of motion here, but in white. Okay, guys, remember, smaller patterns, make them nice and white. Color coordinate as best you can. And something else I'd like to do is you always kind of just look down. We could be getting a double bottom formation, you know, something like this. And then if this actually peaks up and retests the 100, guys, that's a good sign that we have a major form of resistance right here. And if that cup breaks, guys, we will retest the 200 and hopefully reverse pressure, guys. It's that simple. Now, a lot of people are asking me what's going to happen in the Bitcoin price. Are we going to break down further through this major red jelly support I've been talking about for a while, guys? And let's be real. We need to get a little bit of volume. Okay, we got the volume heading down here, but that means there will be a move right around here, guys. It's going to happen, and notice that pattern, the bigger pattern here, is going to run out of space. So we're going to get a movement pretty soon, guys. Watch for the volume to come in, and as soon as it cracks moving average, guys, that's probably which way it's going to go. Okay, I'm not psychic. We have to actually watch this and determine that on the fly. That's how you actually trade, just for the reference, guys, for those of you who are new. Okay, and trading, guys, I actually wanted to emphasize something else. When you're trading and you make an entry, there's a lot of things that can change on the fly. So, for instance, new traders are always like, oh, where do I get in? Where do I get in? Well, yeah, you get in here, but if something changes or goes wrong and you have to do something like doubling down and or adding to whatever it is, you have to learn how to actually protect yourself so that way you can actually get a good trade when things go wrong. That's how I have a good win ratio, guys. I know what to do when something goes wrong. Not everything is perfect. but you want to strive for perfection. Obviously, good entries and congruency with a continuation move are exactly what you're looking for. Okay, that's what you want. But sometimes that move is happening perfectly, and then you get a quick regress, and then that's what you have to be understanding about, guys. That's what a real trader does. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm looking at for Bitcoin there. And let's just briefly go over the cycles, guys. And if you want to learn more about this, I will be talking about this in Miami, Web3 and real estate, meeting crypto for the first time. Now, guys, this is where we are at right now. As you can see, a very low point. And what I really want to emphasize is the logarithmic curve zones. Again, guys, I've been talking about this for the last several months, it feels like. I'm going to turn off everything so you guys can see, but notice we are below the red lines. And if you go back in time, guys, notice the $3,800 drop. Guys, I really believe we're at the bottom. We can't go much lower. I just don't think it's possible. If it does happen, it will be the first time in history that we have a major crash like this. Okay, so I don't think it'll happen, guys. I think we will eventually be back up at red logarithmic zones, just like we were before when we hit 20,000. And guys, this is not the top. It's just not. The top will come later, maybe in about 2 years. And for instance, it will be then happening a few months after the halving. Okay, so we still have a ways to go there, guys. Okay, we got a ways to go. And soon we'll be hopefully entering an expansion phase, guys, where we can think to touch up into yellow zone again before another crash down, and then the halving, and then a parabolic run up, guys. And that's exactly what I'm looking at. And yes, we're looking at around $288,000 minimally right now, guys. That's where I'm looking. Yes, I'm very bullish on Bitcoin, guys. This is the future and the best asset class in history. And yes, Ethereum has been making some serious gains in the last several years and all the NFT hype. And guys, I get it. Bitcoin's still the best in my book, guys. I'm a firm believer. And guys, that's all the time I have for today. Just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.
Audio Jungle.